Hey mappers, fantasy architects and urban planning daydreamers, welcome back to Paper Skylines. If you've ever looked at a blank page and thought, I could build a city here, then you're in the right place. I draw maps as a hobby and for side income, but today we're diving into the 10 most unbreakable, possibly totally the best rules for hand drawing city maps. Whether you're into D&D, world building, or drawing your own city maps for amusement like me, these are the best tips I can give you. Rule number 1, don't start with roads, start with purpose. Ask yourself, why does this city exist? Is it a trade hub, a mining town, or is it a cursed metropolis? The purpose defines the layout. Ports need docks, religious cities need temples. A city without purpose is just a pretty mess. My city is a cursed metropolis, mismanaged by greedy Australian American mayors and officials who barely finish urban planning degrees, and the mayor is in the pockets of greedy housing developers who build new housing estates with massive urban sprawl and no decent road connections. So remember to give your city some law and a purpose. Rule number 2, rivers are royalty. Rivers shape cities. Draw the land first, the rivers, the lakes, the mountains, then let the city follow. Rule number 3, use color to tell a story. Color equals information, green for parks, blue for water, and yellow equals education. And create a colored system that suits you, and also create a colored road hierarchy system like I have here. Keep it consistent. You should try not to break these rules. Rule number 4, label like you're a mad poet. Don't just write market or school or theme park on your map, add character through naming. Often schools and parks can be named after famous people or even the street that they are on. Mix your fonts for flavor, like big titles for districts and smaller fonts for landmarks. You'll need to learn to label in a very small font, say size 2 to 4 is a must. Rule number 5, zoning is world building. Think like a city planner. Industry goes downwind. Markets go near crossroads and intersection. The rich live on hills and the poor in flood zones. It's sad, I know, but it's often how it always is. Add alleyways and pedestrian zones for that lived-in vibe, and add green zones along your water edges. Imagine cycle and walking paths that are continuous. Rule number 6, main roads should make some sense. Sure, you're going to get some roads that are a bit hodgy-podgy, but most of your road system should go somewhere important. Your motorway should go out to the suburbs. Your dedicated busways should stop at major shopping districts. Don't grid the whole city unless you're doing a very modern America. Old towns tangle and suburbs have sprawling cul-de-sacs. Rule number 7, include weird landmarks. You need something strange in your city. It doesn't have to be a haunted zoo or a whale skeleton plaza, but something that people will remember. Weird makes it memorable. Like on my maps, there's a Mango Mania world, or a school that was accidentally built near a sewage plant, or even a cool velodrome in the heart of the city, as the city is a strong promoter of cycling. Rule number 8, elevation adds drama. Hills, cliffs, plateaus add height. You don't necessarily need to draw the contour lines or add shade, but you can do this by steepening your streets, adding curved roads, and even warning signs indicating motorists of sharp turns. Rule number 9, leave empty space. Don't fill every inch of your city. Forest, ruins, rivers, contaminated land, future growth areas, just even dead space on your page is important. Give the city breathing room. It feels more real and it can grow. Rule number 10, your city is never finished. You'll always want to add more. That's the joy of it. Mistakes become features, like this bus lane here that was a pen mistake that I turned into a prime bus lane. Remember, cities evolve and maps are alive. You can revisit your city map 5 years later and add some more suburbs if you need to. So these are my 10 rules or guidelines. I hope they help. Now go build your city, and remember, the weirder, the better.